Hi everyone, I am back with another planner video. This one is to show you how I have been trying to come up with a way for Chris to use a weekly Sweet Kawaii Design sticker kit in his B6 that he uses as a monthly. So this is just a B6 Stalogy. It's the 365, so it's got the 300 and I don't know, just like 370 some pages in here. So it's intended to be used as a page a day for an entire year. I bought one and I had different plans to kind of do what I wanted to make this as my daily planner for 2024, but I did not like how it was turning out, so I switched it. And so now this is basically my practice book because I did a lot of mess ups in this thing. So what I've done is he has liked my Sweet Kawaii Design stickers so much, which is kind of cool, that I bought a couple of kits for him, weekly kits in the itty bitty size. That's typically the size I purchase. And we were trying to figure out how to get them to work in a monthly instead of a weekly because he doesn't do weekly planning. He just does a monthly like overview. So this is what I came up with. I actually went through my stickers and just picked out a weekly kit that obviously I'm not using right now. This one is called Penguins. It's a winter theme kit. But I went ahead and I did like a January spread. So this is kind of like a backdated month. And I just wanted to come on here and show you guys that if you are monthly planners, you can still use Tasia's super cute stickers in a monthly spread. So the washi that comes with the kit, the weekly kit, you get 2 strips of washi, and I did have to actually trim it. So it will fit in a B6. And then all the rest of the pieces are from the weekly kit. I did have to add an extra payday sticker because the weekly kits come with one. And I always have extra payday stickers. And then my January came from a Mojo Jojo Plans Date It sticker book. So that's the only sticker that's not Sweet Kawaii Design that I did add in here. This whole kit, this whole weekly kit, I still have a bunch of pieces left over. Actually, let me grab them. So I actually have a bunch left over from this kit. These are the pieces I have left over from the weekly kit. The itty bitty size, I don't know about the other sizes because I don't typically purchase them, other than the Hobonichi Weeks, which is 2 pages, but the weekly kits for the itty bitty has 5 sheets of stickers. So you get a bunch of headers, you get a bunch of checklists, you've got your quarter boxes, your half boxes, your full like decorative boxes, and then you get trackers, and then you get like faux washi and some deco stickers. I have shown a haul in some of my previous videos where I think I pulled out one of the kits and showed everybody the sheets that come with it. So for him, he would use a lot of these stickers, maybe not the trackers. I'm not sure that he would use those, but I can always use them later. So he can utilize a lot out of a weekly kit. This was just kind of a sample, so I drew the boxes with a pencil, and I always do like a dashed line because it's way easier for me than using a ruler and trying to draw the lines. I don't like doing that. So this is my squares. But this is kind of like just an example for him to do some future month spreads. Like I said, this is an entire weekly kit that fits in here with the blank schedule that you do get with the weekly kits. I did slice off the days of the week because he doesn't need that. So I figured he could use this as like a little note section or something. But I had so much fun putting this one together. I mean, there's even like the day headers, and then each weekly kit comes with an entire set, a month's worth of date dots. So they're perfect to use as an entire month. And like I said, I did have to add an extra payday sticker. But I went ahead, and now it's like this thing that I'm doing like along with him now. So these are just leftover pieces from my February subscription, and this washi tape does not match. I did not realize that until after I got done with the whole thing, and I was like, that looks terrible. So let's just not focus on the washi tape. But other than that, the whole thing is just leftover pieces from the subscription. And again, my February is from Mojo Jojo Plans. And then I didn't have to add an extra payday sticker because the subscriptions come with plenty of payday stickers. But I just added some deco. Some of this deco came from like freebies, little freebies that you get when you place an order. And yeah, I just put that together, and then I did March, which is totally cute. So again, leftover pieces. And this washi tape is simply gilded. It's the only, or the closest washi I had that would coordinate to this. And yeah, so this is March. Again, this is a Mojo Jojo Plans, and all I did was take the month, because they're clear, and I put them on. You get these little washi strips that you can use to mark like several days in a row on your calendar, or I use them like deco strips like this. Yeah, so I just take one from each monthly kit, or like I said, some of the weekly kits come with little washi strips as well. So there's March, and then here's April. So I did April a couple of days ago. He has already done basically January through April in his B6 because we had a different kind of thing going. He had a different idea in his head, but because he likes the Sweet Kawaii Design stickers, which I totally love, he's gonna change it up come May. So I went ahead and did April, and I just took the washi strip from my subscription, and I took a week's worth of my day headers, and then I used an extra weekly kit that I had that I didn't use the dates on, and I put those dates in here. So this washi up here I thought matched the blue really, really well in this kit, even though it's kind of like a washed out kind of pattern, and then it's got like these little white, I guess, daisies on it. That's from Hobby Lobby, and I can't wait to do this. So once I know that I'm gonna have like what leftover pieces I'm gonna have from my April subscription, I will add those in here. And if you guys are interested, I'll come back and show you, or I can do kind of like a monthly plan with me for April. Like I can just not go further. If you guys are interested in seeing something like that, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I just wanted to share that you don't have to use a weekly kit as a weekly. You can use it as a monthly, because I did, and it worked out really good, really good. And then there's plenty of stickers left, like using these as like, he had a bunch of doctor's appointments. We had a date night that we missed. So yeah, like the little faux washi strips, like right here, you can use those to mark days. It's just, I don't know, they're super cute. Sweet Kawaii Design has the best critter stickers ever. So yeah, I will put a link in the description below to her website. You guys can go check her out. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.